Head over to Goodwill and grab a variety of dishes. Place the taper candle onto the protected surface. Add some glue to the top. Place a candy dish on the top. Start by placing a vase upside down and add a bowl to the top of the vase. And place a votive holder on the top. Let that dry for 24 hours. With one of the socks from Dollar Tree, cut off one end. Add a rubber band to one side of it. For the other piece of sock, cut alongside so that it opens up into one long strip. Then cut one long strip from that sock. Place the hat on top of the votive holder and then add the scarf to the neck. Embellish the front if you'd like with some ribbon and some pine. Add a tea light into the candle holder.
Start by mixing together 1 cup of Epsom salt plus 1 tablespoon of clear or white glitter. Apply a thin layer of Mod Podge onto each glass vase and then sprinkle some of the fake snow on top. Continue this process around each vase. Showcase this adorable display with some battery-operated tea light candles and some string lights.
Head to your local salvage, vintage, or thrift store and pick up some white glass globes and thoroughly clean the outside. Crack open a bottle of decoupage glue and thickly brush the glue all over the glass globe. Hold the glass globe over a large bowl and sprinkle ground glass glitter over the entire globe. Gently press and pat the glass glitter onto the decoupage globe and then shake off the excess into the bowl. You will want to spray the globe with a clear spray adhesive. Take a string of twinkle lights and stuff them inside the glass globe.
I started by using E6000 to glue these 2 curved dishes together, and I let this dry for several hours. I placed some more E6000 on top of those dishes, and I placed my candle holder upside down on the top and let this all dry for 24 hours. The E6000 glued a round candle holder on top of the upside down candle holder, then put the brass insert that came with the candle holder back into it. E6000 glued a star candle holder onto the round candle holder, and I let that dry for 24 hours.
Save your pickle jars, especially the large ones. They can make beautiful seasonal decor. Put it in a bath of warm, soapy water. Make sure you get that pickle odor out of there. Take that label right off. Start by grabbing a roll of contact paper. Cut out a little star shape, and I'm just gonna trace it onto the contact paper. And I'm gonna cut out about a dozen stars in different sizes. Peel the back off and place them all around your pickle jar. Once all the stars are placed, it's time to paint this. We are going to use a frosted glass spray paint. So once you've got 2 coats on there, grab a tweezer and we're gonna pull off those stars right away. I'm gonna use some rope from the dollar store and a Christmas sprig with some red berries and some green leaves. Once all the embellishments are on, I'm gonna use a battery-powered tea light to drop on the inside.
Run to the dollar store and grab one of these hanging terrariums, some of these little tiny miniatures that are for the winter village, along with also some fake snow. And now you're going to go and fill your terrarium with some sand. And now let's go and place the people along with also some of the miniatures. Then I am going to take some of the fake snow there, and now I'm going to go and mix up some Elmer's glue along with watered down dish soap. To dye this, I'm going to use a little bit of mica powder, go and put some air back into the mixture to create little tiny bubbles, and then use my heat gun on a very low setting to go and dry this slightly so I can keep some of those bubbles in there. And then go back around the edges with a toothpick that has some of the bubbles on it as well. Mini terracotta pots. I'm starting off with a light blue base. Cut off a small portion of a clear ornament. Let's go and paint our snowman along with also a nose and some little buttons. Then I'm going to go and glue it onto the terracotta. Then we can go and take this and we're going to go and glue it in place and make it look like there's some snow at the top. And then I'm going to go and paint a small white door. Now we can wait for this to fully dry. For this one, I'm going to go and start off with a gray base and we can go and stick it right in the center. I'm going to make it look like it's snowy on the bottom, go around the entire bottom base. Now I'm going to go and decorate this.